In this case, no last date of hearing notices were issued to these points. I am the driver of the vehicle. I am minor, and the liability has been fastened upon the minor, my lord. In para 32, I am basically aggrieved by the para 32 of the order.
जी, तो आपके पिताजी के ऊपर चली जाएगी, लॉ तो क्लियर है।
My lord, my respectful submission is, my lord, that liability should be on the owner only, because my father was convicted for offense and he was in jail from last.
उससे क्या हुआ? He ceased to be your father on account of his conviction.
My lord, the flawed.
माइनर की रिकवरी कहाँ से होगी ये बताइएगा। माइनर अगर गाड़ी चला रहा था,
जी,
मोटर व्हीकल का एक्सीडेंट है ये।
ओनर विल बी,
अरे ओनर तो रहेगा ही रहेगा
जी,
साथ में। ड्राइवर अगर माइनर गाड़ी चला रहा था तो माइनर के कृत्यों के लिए उसके पिताजी जिम्मेदार होंगे कि व्हाई ही परमिटेड हिम टू ड्राइव अ व्हीकल।
सर, बट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम एज पर द अमेंडमेंट जो आया है सर इसमें 199A मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट में,
हाँ,
इनफैक्ट ये भी बात का है, डेट ऑफ ऑफेंस के बाद का है।
199A, हाँ पढ़िएगा।
Offense by a juvenile. Where an offense under this act has been committed by a juvenile, the guardian of the juvenile or the owner of the motor vehicle shall be deemed to be guilty of the contravention and shall be liable to be proceeded against and punished accordingly, provided that nothing in this subsection shall render such guardian or owner liable to any punishment provided in this act, if he proves that the offense was committed without his knowledge or that he exercised all due diligence to prevent the commission of such offense. And as far as this,
ये एक्सीडेंट किस तारीख का है?
सर ये
22/4/16।
हाँ, तो इसके ऊपर तो अप्लाई नहीं होगा ये।
ये मेरा एक और न्यूज।
ठीक है, समझ गए आपकी बात। एक्सोनरेशन ही तो चाहिए ना आपको।
जी जी जी।
बताइएगा कुछ लाए क्या आप कॉन्ट्ररी? दिस अपील इज फाइल्ड बाय द अपीलेंट अनिकेत पाठक एलियस मोंटी son of Dabbu alias Sandeep Pathak on the being aggrieved of award dated 3/2/2023 passed by 13th Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Jabalpur in MSCC number 3315 of 2016 on the ground that accident took place on 22/4/2016 with a vehicle owned by respondent number 2 Anand Sharma, son of late Ravi Ratan Sharma, full stop. The vehicle in question is गाड़ी कौन सी है?
सर टाटा सफारी है सर, लोग सब साथ में ट्रेवल कर रहे थे, दैट वाज ओवरटर्न।
टाटा सफारी which overturned resulting into the mishap, full stop. Since vehicle was being since vehicle was driven by the present appellant who was admittedly a minor on the date of the accident, no liability could have been fastened on the minor and the recovery should be made only from the owner of the offending vehicle. Next para. It is submitted that at the time of the accident, father of the present appellant Aniket Pathak alias Monty was in jail.
संदीप पाठक सर जी, एप्लीकेंट के फादर का नाम संदीप पाठक है।
अरे भाई मैं तो फादर ऑफ लिखा है। Was in jail. Full stop. His father submitted that the provisions as exist now under section 199A dealing with offences by juveniles was brought into force wide notification with effect from 1/9/2019 wide notification dated 28 August 2019. Full stop. It has no retrospective application. Secondly, since the father of the present appellant was in jail, comma, even the analogy of fasting liability on him cannot be extended for two reasons, namely, amendment is prospective, and secondly, even if the analogy of the amendment is applied, then there was no consent of the father or the offense was not committed with the knowledge of the father who was already in jail. Full stop. Next para. This आप किसके लिए आ रहे?
Respondent number 2.
Owner.
Order.
क्लेमेंट
आपका शुभ नाम बताइए।
नरेंद्र तिवारी।
श्री नरेंद्र तिवारी for the claimants श्री उमेश प्रसाद पांडे for respondent number 3, owner of the offending vehicle. opposes the prayer. Next paragraph. After hearing learned counsel for the appellant and respondent number 3, the legal proposition is that there can, छोड़ दीजिएगा, इसके आगे लिखा दूंगा मैं देख के क्या लीगल प्रोपोजिशन, ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिएगा, लिखा देंगे. अपील इज डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ. थैंक यू.